Penn RN Research News.
High blood pressure is when the force of blood in the arteries of your body remains elevated and causes the heart to work too hard. The medical term for high blood pressure is hypertension. It's often called the silent killer because you can have high blood pressure for many years and still feel good. By the time you start feeling symptoms like severe headache and shortness of breath, it's often too late and is a medical emergency. Major organs like your heart, kidneys, and brain may already be damaged, and you are at great risk for heart disease, stroke, heart attack, and even death. That's why early detection and prevention are so important. If you are healthy, there are several easy ways to prevent high blood pressure. First, maintain a healthy weight. Exercise or do 30 minutes of physical activity a day. Eat a low-sodium diet that is high in fruits and vegetables. Limit your alcohol intake if you drink. 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. If you are a smoker, quit. Have your blood pressure checked when you see your healthcare provider or at least once every 2 years. If you're not sure whether you have high blood pressure, see your healthcare provider.